Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome in general. I'm Joshua-Riece, and at this point, I am new to this channel. It's been another minute. I feel like I say this every single time. I'm back. It's been a minute. Okay, but I'm actually back. I've got the bug, I've got the case, I'm doing what I'm doing. Enough said, we're going to move forward. So today I'm going to be trying out a brand that I've not used before, mainly because you can't really buy it in, well, you can't buy it in stores over here, it's all online, but I do have some Colourpop products. I've had these for a while. This is the Sailor Moon Volume 2 collection. There have been numerous other collaborations that have come out since, and I wish I would have bought them. The Pokemon looked absolutely sick, but we move. I have this here. It's been sitting here. I haven't touched it. I haven't used it. I haven't done anything with it because I had all intents of filming this. So I do have the eyeshadow palette. I have two of their pressed powder highlighters, two of their little lip kits, two eyeliners, and this Soju face gloss, whatever this is, I'm not quite sure. And I did just pick up a couple of other bits from there too, because I heard their Super Shock shadows are absolutely insane, and a Super Shock blush. So I did actually think that one of these was a blush, hence why I've got none on today. So it's kind of a good thing that I do have this, so we can try this out and get this bit done before we move on to the eyes. So this is the Super Shock blush in the shade Holiday. I don't know if I actually got these in the two Super Shock shadows as part of a holiday collection. I say I have had this for a while, but it says holiday, so I'm just going to put two and two together, but we move. So I'm going to do a little swatcheroo. It's extremely soft, extremely soft. So this is colour. It's not translating very well on camera whatsoever, but it is a rose colour. It very much reminds me of my favourite blush shade in Rosy Posy, but we're going to give this a go. I normally do use liquid or cream blushes before I use a powder, but I didn't. So this is going to be completely bare. We're going to see what we're just going to see what it says, okay? Oh, nothing. I mean, Super Shock. Super Shocked, there's nothing there. Maybe I'm using the wrong type of brush, but it's building up slowly. It's just not as impactful as a lot of my other blushes that I would go for, the Made by Mitchell or even my Luna Beauty ones. You can see it's not really doing too much. That's better. Look, this is cute. Okay, okay. So they do take a bit of a while to build up, pick up, whatever the case may be. It might be that I'm just using too much of a fluffy brush, but when it does build up, it is an overall nice colour. It's a colour that I would normally go for, so I'm not too mad. Um, Super Shock, I think that might be the wrong name for this. More like Slow Burner. Alright, next we have this bad boy. I'm so sorry, but can we just talk about this packaging? This packaging is absolutely the cutest thing ever. It's it's giving what it was meant to give. I'm here for it. I'm so here for it. Like, look. Oh, it is adorable. I think the first collection was very pink orientated, like pastels. I'll see if I can get a picture up here somewhere, but this is what the palette looks like in the second collection. And mind you, saying that this is very pastel and whatnot. Anyway, I have not done eyeshadow in so long, so I'm very anxious, very nervous, a little bit scared. We'll say that. And I'm so not used to filming again. I'm looking at myself in the mirror here, and I'm like talking to me rather than talking up here. I'm so not used to doing this. I'm so out of work. Apologies. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to go into this first shade here, Secret Power. Quite a bit of kick up in the pan. Don't know if you can see there. Doesn't really bother me, but it is what it is. Just what I would say. And then I'm just going to whack that on here through the crease. I've not done this in so long. And when I have done eyeshadow, I normally start with the darkest and work my way up to the lightest, but we're going to go back in the day because I was going through some of my old Instagram pictures and whatnot the other day, and I was like, oh my god, my blending was so good and so insane. I have gone in a couple of times, but that's just so I can see where I'm going. Okay, so that is the first shade laid down. That is quite cute actually. So I'm now going with another Stacey Marie brush. This is the 203. Ignore that, that is just staining. There's not any other colour on it. And I'm now going to this Her Destiny shade just here, which is that periwinkle colour. Again, quite a bit of kick up, but it's not me. It doesn't bother me. And this is going to go more in the crease. Hello.
One eternity later.
So it could be because they are more pastel type shades, but they are taking a lot of building up and a lot of kind of playing with. The colour's there when it's there, but it's just the building up that's a bit back and forth, back and forth. It's reading more lilac than that first shade. So I will go back and re-intensify each thing after I've done this last shade just to build it back up. But we're going to go in with the shade Girl Power just here, which is that mauvey, plummy, aubergine type shade. And this is just going to go on the outer corner and more into the crease. It's more there than the rest. Again, a lot of fallout in the pan itself. It's just they don't seem as strong as they do in the actual palette. Okay, so it's picking up a little bit, however it is skipping. It's not my favourite. This, I mean, maybe just my skills have gotten bad. Which, to be fair, is more likely the problem. So this is pretty much it for this eye. Oh no, it's not. It needs to be a shimmer. I'm a liar. I'm kind of thinking this blue shade rather than something, and then maybe do one of the brighter ones in the inner corner. But then do have the Super Shock shadows that kind of I'm going to put the blue over the lid, and then I'm going to put one of the sparkly ones in the inner corner, and then I'm going to use one of the Super Shock ones for the brow bone. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And we're going to take that blue, which is Aqua, name of the shade, not the colour. It's very subtle, very subtle. Right, let me try wetting my brush. This is just a bit of setting spray. Now let's go back in. Oh, it's definitely picking more up on the brush, but that's obviously a given. Is it giving more? It's giving more. Almost there, then I'll do the other eye. So we just need two. What do we need to do? So I think I'm going to try this shade Twinkles because it looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it has like red and orange in it. That's cute. Okay, well it picked up. Wasn't as dramatic as I thought it was going to be be fair, but looks like I've been crying. Like I'm just about to like shed a tear. So these are the two Super Shock shadows that I have. This more antique bronzy type colour, and this literally pure white. It's not even picking up on camera. This is the shade Tassel, this is the shade Ritz. I think I'm going to go with Tassel because it's literally just to highlight the brow bone. So give it a go. Let's put a little bit on, and we're just going to highlight the brow bone there. That's cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's what I wanted in the inner corner. Oh, I'm going to add some to the inner corner. Look now. This is exactly what I needed in my life. No, stop. 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 I've got the eyeliners, didn't I? I've got two eyeliners here. Stupid boy. So I have these two eyeliners. Silly me. This purple and this blue. I've heard such good things about Colourpop's liners. It's a joke. Oh, they've got a little bit of like shimmer to them. So you can see the purple and the blue there. They've got like a metallic oomph to them. Oh, maybe going with the blue because I've always done quite a lot of purple. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. They're going to come and drag me now for touching my eyes like this. But we'll just put this in the waterline. Oh, that's cute. Again, it's very similar to this blue shade on my lid. It's almost got like a goldy shift to it, which I'm actually quite here for. It looks like I'm crying. I mean, I'm crying. And this is not how I wanted to come back because I don't seem to know what I'm doing. But this is a cute little moment in the waterline. And these are so pigmented. Like, I literally went over twice. But again, as I say, I've heard such good things about the Colourpop liners, so I might have to invest in some more. Right, now I'm going to do this eye. Be back in 2 seconds. So I'm back, I've done this eye and obviously finished the rest up on camera. I've just run that purple shade along the bottom and I have some lashes on. These are the Claudia Kilsby Half Lash Collection in HL4. So, because I also want to try this, dewy face gloss thing, so I have no idea what this is, like none whatsoever. I might do a highlighter on one side and then the face gloss on the other. I think I'm going to go in with the face gloss on this side. I really don't know how I'm supposed to approach this. Maybe I'll just take a little bit of what's left in the lid. Just like tapping that in. I really can't see if it's doing much because my monitor's... Oh no, I can see in the screen here. It's not doing like... Oh, it actually dries down. Oh my god. That is the most bizarre thing in the world because it feels super wet and like... This is where I mess it up, watch. That is the most bizarre of textures in the world. Oh my god, I mean it is wet, but, but it's like my skin looks wet. Oh my god, I like that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. But it's not really picking up any of the reflex in it, that greeny, bluey type thing, like I can see in the mirror anyway. But that, who am I? Gets in the actual bin. That is stunning. Right, that was that. And then now we're going to go in with the highlighter on this side. And we're going to use this one that you can't see is pink, but it's definitely pink, I promise you. Don't know how pigmented or anything this is going to be, but let's see. It's cute, subtle, which, I mean, compared to this side, isn't necessarily a bad thing. Oh, I like that. It's very subtle but cute. Oh, I like that one actually. I thought it was going to come out like super pink, especially because that other one is as purple as what it is. But glad it didn't. Just take a little bit and think. I'm definitely still in this 2016 makeup thing. I don't do this no highlight look. It's absolutely diabolical. Right, so now again, we've got these two little lip things. This one is the Sailor Star. This one is Sailor Fuck You, Fuku, Fuku, however you want to say it is something, but okay, great. I think I'm going to go with this one because I've got enough purple on my face. I really do. So this is the... It just says Sailor Fuck You again. Very muted brown, but it's cute. This here is the gloss. Oh, that is stunning. So I'm going to quickly go off camera and line my lips. I do hope this lip liner works with this lip combo thing. I don't know what I have and what I don't have anymore, so I'm just grabbing the nearest one, so I'll be back in 1 sec. One day I'll actually know how to line my lips properly because it looks like I've eaten spaghetti, but it is what it is. So I just went in with the Morphe Sweet Tea lip pencil, and now we're going to go in with this ultra blotted lip in the Fuck You one. Like, it's called the ultra blotted lip, and it definitely is given that, like, soft, subtle, like I've blotted my lips. Right, let's go in with the greeny, bluey, lip thing. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That is actually stunning. Oh my god, look at that. I do wish you could see a bit of the reflex coming through in it though. Oh, actually, you can ever so subtly. But that, oh my god. And it's not sticking around here. Oh, I'm a fan. Anyway, that's the end of this one because I feel like I've rabbited on for 24 hours as I usually do. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which there will be more of. There absolutely will be more of. So anyway, ciao guys.